Hi, educators. In this video, I will show you how to use Presenter View in Microsoft Teams. Oh, I'm so excited to show you guys this relatively new feature in Microsoft Teams. So now available is the Presenter View. So prior to Presenter View, I used dual monitors to present my lecture slides and keep an eye on the chat box. So previously I would share my screen and then pull up the lecture and then I would move the chat box to a second screen. But I do not have to do that anymore, and you don't either. So Presenter View is going to allow us to see everything on one screen. So how do you access Presenter View? I'm glad that you asked. So, same as before, you will click the Share Content button at the top toolbar. But instead of choosing the screen or app that you would like to share, you want to click on the Browse button over to the right. So I'm going to upload a PowerPoint from my computer, one that I created specifically for this video. And look at this. You can see everything on one screen. You can see what the audience sees. Over to the right hand side, you can see your notes. Notice that you have access to the toolbar where you can keep an eye on the chat box, your participants, your microphone, camera, all of those great things. And then down at the bottom you can see thumbnails of your slides, and so you can quickly toggle between your slides. You can also use the arrows to navigate back and forth. And then this icon, if you click here, you can go to particular slides as well. And then you can just click the X to exit out of here. Then there's more actions, and more actions. You can hide the presenter view, and so just see what the audience sees. And then to exit out of this view, you just click Show Presenter View, and then you'll see your other slides. You can also choose high contrast if you prefer that. And so also you have this additional option to prevent participants from moving through the shared presentation. So if you want to prevent your students from moving forward, you can choose that and then just deselect it once you want to allow that option again. All in all, this is pretty good, and I'm excited about it. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified of future videos.